Hi, Aria. Aria, look here. Say hi. Which one?
This one is cool.
Hey, I'm recording right now. Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone. This is my new bike and her name is Sofia.
Your Sofia Bike? Where can you get the Sofia Bike?
One day was one of my dad working. Maybe can go flying yesterday.
Come on, Aria.
I'm gonna get you.
You passed me already.
Now I'm gonna go faster. Don't pass me. Don't pass me.
You're going too fast. Good job, Aria. Just a little bit.
Mommy, don't go fast. Whoa. I can't do it.
It's okay.
Wow,
Daddy, help
yeah,
you a
you
little
can.
bit. Keep going. Daddy, help you a little bit.
You're almost done.
I got it. Let me ride on my own.
You want to ride on your own? Okay.
I'll help you start first and you run it out.
There you go.
Help you a little bit. Water. There you go.
Look straight. There you go. You're doing it on your own. Good job, Aria. Uh-oh, there's a little water there.
Now, how do we go?
Just go fast, okay? Go fast past the water, okay?
Okay.
Okay, try. It's okay.
We'll follow you, okay? Uh-oh.
Go faster, faster.
Come on.
Faster, go.
Ah, you're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet. It's stuck. It's stuck.
I passed it!
Stop it.
You passed it already.
Yay!
All right, careful now.
Mom, Dad, let me ride on my own.
Okay, go,
All
go.
right, you can. Are you having fun?
Mom, you can't go faster than us.
Okay, but I need to record you better. That's why. Okay, come on. Go, Aria.
Okay, I'm trying. Stop asking.
Good job, Aria. And you're almost done. We're almost home.